Hi guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my fruit sorrel cupcake. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can also go ahead and check out all of my recipes. They will be listed in the description box as well. And you can follow me on Instagram, Kalibu_Aisha. So here I have my brown sugar. I also have my cinnamon powder, my all-purpose flour, egg. I also have my sorrel puree. I also have my fruit mix. I also have vanilla flavoring, baking soda, mixed spice for baking, baking powder, vegetable oil, and I also have margarine, which I will melt. So I won't be using the whole margarine like that. I'll melt it in the microwave. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to go ahead and combine the egg and the sugar together. Now guys, for the egg, you want to always ensure that you remove the eye from the egg, because you don't want your muffin or your cake, whatever you're baking using egg, you don't want it to be raw. And guys, the egg is this little white thing that is attached to the yolk. So now that I've added the egg to the sugar, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and combine the sugar and the egg together. Now you want to always ensure that your egg and your sugar is mixed properly. And guys, I know a lot of persons going to say, you know, this is not how you make your fruit cake. But guys, this is not the typical Jamaican black cake that I'm making. So I'm just giving it my twist, and you can go ahead and add whatever you want to it. So I'm just whisking, and guys, if you have a mixer, you could go ahead and add these ingredients to your mixer, and I'm sure this will save some time. So now that I'm finished combining the egg and the sugar together, it's time to go ahead and add my melted butter or margarine. So I'm just combining the margarine, the melted margarine, with the egg and the sugar. I'm also gonna go ahead and add the vegetable oil. Once again, guys, go ahead and subscribe to J's Kitchen. Tell your friends, tell your family members about J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, J's Kitchen, on Instagram, Kalibu_Aisha. Once again, guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Now it's time to go ahead and combine the dry ingredients together. So as you can see, I have my all-purpose flour, and I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, so I know a lot of person might say, why you add baking powder and baking soda? Now guys, the baking powder will also help it to rise, but the baking soda give it a better consistency. I hope you understand what I just said. So yes, it's gonna rise with the baking powder, but the baking soda helps to give it a better consistency as it regards to the rising. So I just added the cinnamon powder And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of mixed spice as well. And you want to combine the dry ingredients together before you add it to the wet ingredients. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And of course, I'm going to add the vanilla flavoring before I add the flour. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the dry ingredients, and I'm going to add it one half, and then I'm going to add the other half. Guys, you should smell all of this flavor. Really good. I can't wait to try this. And I can't wait for you guys to try this as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add my blended fruits. And also the sorrel puree. So now that I've added the blended fruit and the sorrel puree, I'm just going to go ahead and combine everything together because you want it to be evenly distributed. And guys, don't worry about the color if you don't get the color. Remember that we added the fruit, the blended fruit, so you won't have that nice pretty sorrel look. So we want to ensure that it's fruity and it's also have a taste of sorrel. Alright guys, as you can see, it's coming along quite fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the cupcakes cup to the cupcake tin. Once again guys, if you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So what I'm gonna do now, it's time to go ahead and fill the cupcake cups with the batter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a measuring cup to fill the cupcake cups. And guys, please don't add a lot of the batter because you don't want to when your cupcake rise, it overflow. No. So I'm just adding like half. So I'm filling it halfway and give it a little space to rise. And guys, I'm gonna bake this for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. So guys, after 20 to 25 minutes, this is what my fruity sorrel cupcake looks like. Guys, you see that? You see that moisture? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you tell your friends and tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen, and I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Guys, until next time, bye.